Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect poached eggs on toast. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, your favorite bread, a splash of white vinegar, and a suitable pot. A wide, shallow pot works best for poaching. While you prepare the eggs, get your toast started so everything is ready at the same time. This simple breakfast is a delightful way to start your day. Now let's poach those eggs. Fill a pot with about 3 to 4 inches of water and bring it to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. Then, carefully slide each egg into the simmering water. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes for a runny yolk. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, carefully remove them from the water using a slotted spoon. Gently dab them on a paper towel to remove any excess water. Place 1 or 2 perfectly poached eggs onto your freshly toasted bread. Finish with a sprinkle of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps some chopped chives or parsley for extra flavor. Enjoy this classic dish. For the best results, always use very fresh eggs. They hold their shape much better. Some people like to create a gentle swirl in the water before adding the egg, which can help keep the white together. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Don't be afraid to experiment with different seasonings, like paprika or chili flakes, and toppings such as avocado or smoked salmon to elevate your poached egg experience. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.